Xiaomi, a brand known for its innovative tech products, has launched the Xiaomi Uniblade trimmer. This trimmer stands apart from its predecessor with its unique design, compact size, and an array of features that make it an essential addition to your grooming kit. So let us unbox it and see what you can find. Here you can find a USB to Type-C cable and the trimmer itself, all neatly packed in a compact box, and the trimmer's design is notably different, boasting a sleek finish and ergonomic shape. The trimmer comes in two accessories, a comb head and a special blade. The comb head features a dial that allows you to adjust the length of the cut, making it an ideal tool for haircuts or beard trimming. The special blade, on the other hand, can be used for close shave. Attaching the accessories to the trimmer is a straightforward process. The blade, which is the main component, locks securely into the trimmer after aligning the dots and twisting it slightly. Once attached, the blade remains firmly locked and does not detach easily. The trimmer is equipped with a three-way precision shaving head designed to provide a skin-friendly shave. Furthermore, the trimmer is IPX7 water resistant, allowing for easy cleaning under the water. Overall, it's a smooth and irritation-free shave, although it may not provide the ultra-clean shave like a traditional razor blade, but it does a job very good. So to conclude with, it's a unique and interesting addition to your grooming kit, and its compact size, distinct blade system, and water resistance features combined with its good battery life make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a versatile and reliable grooming tool. Links are provided in the description. If you want to buy, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.